I'm Jen Carlman from InLab News. We are here at the Fall 2010 Demo Conference in San Jose, California. I'm joined by two people from Northern California. We've got Glenn and David. You guys are from Range Networks.
Correct.
First of all, let me ask Glenn with you, what is it about your company? What do you do?
We make cellular base stations, the equipment that goes in cell towers. So we're taking GSM into places it could never go before, all around the world.
All right, give me some perspective, since I'm not really a techie, of where the value proposition is here. What's the value of your company?
So if you're a cell phone operator, like a carrier, you are going to spend anywhere from $100,000 to $200,000 per cell tower. We can do it for $10,000. So we can do cell phone service in India, Africa, the Middle East, all sorts of unserved area. We can allow a carrier to offer a profitable service for $2 to $3 a month. And there's 2.7 billion people in the world living on less than $2 a day.
Right, right.
So it's a big market.
It's a huge market. Yeah. David, let me ask you, what is it about the technology that sets Range Networks apart? What's unique about the company?
The main thing we do is we take cellular telephones and we present them to the network as if they're VoIP devices. To be technical, SIP endpoints, sort of like Vonage phones or SIP endpoints, as an example. So what this does is it allows you to get rid of a lot of the more complicated, sort of traditional telco infrastructure that's required to support more conventional GSM equipment.
Do you do the technology part of the company?
Yes.
Okay, so when you guys are up there pitching, what do you explain to the VC when it comes to the technology? Because you don't want to overwhelm them. They're not tech people. So, David, how do you formulate your message in a way that's understandable, but not too technical?
Right. Well, I think one of the ways we're lucky is I think most of the people in the VC community at this point are familiar enough with voice over IP that we can use that as a starting point for explaining what we're doing. But what we're doing is we're making cellular networks behave like voice over IP networks. So all the cost savings that comes from converting landline networks to voice over IP, you can also achieve with cellular networks. So that's a good starting point.
Right. See, I understood that. I'm not a VC or a techie, but I understood what he was saying there. Glenn, for you, where is the company at right now? What are you looking for when it comes to funding, and also here at Demo?
So here at Demo, we were launching, so it's our first announcement.
Well, congratulations.
We've been operating in stealth mode. We are just raising our first round of funding. We've completely self-funded the company to date. We've got about 150 systems, hardware in the world, and about 3,000 software systems. So we have some traction. So we're looking for our first round of funding. We are also building a worldwide network of resellers to handle our products in different countries like the Middle East or Africa. Very
exciting. So taking that bootstrapped company and trying to come off the radar, right, underneath the stealth.
We've done the lean startup.
Right, we all understand that. Range Networks, we've got Glenn and David. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.